Hello, hello, and welcome to a little video about special right triangles. We need to know about these special right triangles because they are very much tied into trigonometry. So, first, let's look at the 45, 45, 90 triangle. As you see, we have a 90-degree angle where it should be, and then we have two 45-degree angles on either side. If you add all of that up, we get 180. So, a great triangle. Now, when we look at this triangle, anytime we work with it, it will have a very specific ratio. The sides between 45 and 90 will both equal x, and the hypotenuse will always be that x times the square root of 2. Let's apply that. All right, so here we have a 6. Now we have a 45 in this corner and a 45 in the other one. We don't really need to write that down. According to my model, these two sides are x, and this one is x root 2. So if x is 6, then this side is 6 root 2, and the other one is also 6. Same thing with number 2. See how one of those legs is 7? That's x, this is x root 2. Which means if x is 7, 7 is here, and this length is 7 root 2. Now let's say we were given the hypotenuse instead. Let's say, like in number 3, we are given 8 root 2. Well, that is x root 2. So, x is 8. Therefore, these two missing sides are both 8, because they're both x's. All right, onwards to number 4. All right, we're still on one of the legs. This is x, this is going to be x, and this is going to be x root 2. So 3.5 and 3.5 root 2. Okay, number 5 is a little bit funky. This here is x, because it's on one of those legs. Well, that means this side is also a 10 root 2. Well, if this is x root 2, then that is actually 10 root 2 root 2? Weird, right? Don't worry. When we multiply two square roots by each other, the square roots actually cancel out, and we're left with just a 2. Boop, boop. So, 10 times 2 gives us 20. Funky problem. Here's another funky one coming up in number 6. Here we have the hypotenuse. Again, this is x root 2. So let's find out x. My first idea is to divide by root 2, but that is going to be ugly. So instead, let's get that root canceled out by multiplying both sides by root 2. Okay, so on the left-hand side, we have 12 root 2. And on the right, we have x times 2. Now we can divide out that 2 because there's no more roots. I don't want to deal with roots. Okay, now I cannot divide the square root of 2 by 2, but I can divide the 12. So I have 6 root 2 equals x. So those are our two missing sides, 6 root 2 and 6 root 2. And those are 45, 45, 90-degree triangles in a nutshell. Now another perfectly rational one that we use a ton in trigonometry is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Now because, in this case we have 3 different degrees, our sides are going to have 3 options this time instead of 2. Okay, very carefully. The side between 60 and the 90-degree angle is x. I'm going to zoom in a bit. If it allows me, there we go. The length between 30 and 90 is x root 3. And the hypotenuse, the one across from the 90-degree angle, is 2x. Okay, let's apply it. Okay, so here we have the side between 30 and the right angle, which is x root 3. Oh, awesome. We know that x equals 5 here. That's awesome. We can figure that out right away. So all we really need to do is plug it in according to this ratio. So this missing side is 5. This one is 2 times 5, which is 10. Sweet. Onwards. Ooh, okay, so this one in number 2, that's the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is 2x. So I can find what x is by dividing by 2. X is 11. Great. Well, that means the side between 60 and 90 is 11. And the side between the 30-degree angle and the 90-degree angle is x root 3. So 11 root 3. Number 3. Ooh, great. We have the side between 90 and 60. That's our x. All right, so our hypotenuse is 2x. So that's 30. And this is x root 3, so 15 root 3. Not too bad. Number 4. Okay, so we have the side between 30 and 90, and that is x root 3. Oh, I got x already. It's 18. So this side is 18 since it's just x. And this is 2x, so 2 times 18, 36. Let's continue to the last 2. Ooh, these are going to be funky. Okay, so here we have 14 root 3. That's our hypotenuse. So that equals 2x. So in order to solve it, let's divide both sides by 2. That's how we'll get x. So x equals 7 root 3. Okay, well, that gives us this side. The side between 30 and 90 is x root 3. So then it's 7 root 3 root 3. Once again, just like a problem in that 45, 45, 90 triangle, the roots cancel. This just becomes 7 times 3, which is 21. Now, can you do this in your calculator? Totally. It should give you the same answer. All right, let's take a look at number 6. Oh, I lied. This one is not a funky one. The space between 60 and the 90-degree angle is x. So therefore, this is x root 3. So 12 root 3. And this is 2x. So 2 times 12, which is 24. Okay, so special right triangles. There's 2 of them, and they're very important to trigonometry. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Have a wonderful rest of your day, whatever time of day it is for you. Bye.